Now, a shopping update many of you have been waiting to hear. Jacksonville's new Ikea store is on track to open this fall. The progress of the construction can be seen from 295 at Gate Parkway. This photo shows the installation of the chain's iconic blue panels, which Ikea says is a milestone. Channel 4's Crystal Moyer got a hard hat tour of the project.
Construction is coming along. You can already see the signature blue panels being installed around the building. IKEA representatives say the recent storms haven't stopped construction from moving forward. The steel framing of the 290,000 square foot store is standing tall.
Well, we are covered. It is definitely not a watertight roof just yet. As evidenced by the recent storm that resulted in water everywhere.
A unique feature of the Jacksonville location is that the entire store, including a restaurant and warehouse, is all on one level.
There will be cash registers all the way down here, as far as the eye can see.
With a more convenient shopping experience.
Greater ease with regard to the shopping carts and less confusion for the customers, too.
And parents, IKEA is kid-friendly.
To my right is actually where the supervised children's play area will end up being.
You'll be able to check your kids into the play area and pick them up when you're done shopping. There's still a lot of work to be done, but shipments of cash registers and furniture are already on its way from Sweden. If everything goes according to plan, IKEA will open its doors this fall. Reporting on the South Side, Crystal Moyer, Channel 4, the local station.
If you'd like to work for IKEA, the store is planning to fill more than 250 positions. The openings are already posted online. You will find the link on our website, news4jax.com.